Charlie Cushane here in my truck camper to do a mod. This time is to my galley stovetop. So let's take a look at how I want to improve it instantly. As you can see, my Suburban propane gas range top has a traditional standard wire grate, and the grate after 10 years is really starting to show rust and things like that. You really can't paint it because of the high temperature from the flames, so you really need to replace it. To do my replacement, all I have to do is pull this out of the rubber bumpers in the corners, and I bought a replacement. This time it's a beautiful stamped metal one, coated just the same, fits in the same rubber, and they give you new rubber pieces, and that's it. All done. There you go. The flames line up perfectly with the openings. Doesn't that look way better? And it took all of a minute. So this is another great mod that you can do to make your camper look way better than it originally did.